Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Let's see how we can uninstall apps from your computer. To uninstall apps from your computer, you have to search for add or remove, add or remove. So when you see the application, the best match, look for the app you want to uninstall from the bunch of apps installed on your PC given to you down below. As for me, I want to uninstall Advanced Free Antivirus. To uninstall it, you have to click on the app and click on uninstall. When you click on uninstall, this particular app, Advanced Free Antivirus, will totally be removed from your PC. You will no longer see it again, and every data that belongs to this file will be removed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment down below this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to